welcome back to my channel. This is something new that I am starting on my channel, and if you guys saw my Temptress and CColor Cosmetics strobe video, I mentioned in there that I want us to start going back through some of my palettes, whether it be high-end or very affordable palettes, and creating new looks and showing you guys those looks. So I don't know, I'm trying to get back into, if I have the time, putting up videos, not just Monday, Wednesday, Friday for you guys, but Tuesday and Thursday. So this may be something that I start putting back up maybe on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I don't know. If not, you may just see this on Monday, Wednesday, Friday day at noon Eastern Standard Time. Do you like that intro? First video of the day. Can you tell? I'm still in my PJs. Yes, I'm keto, but doesn't mean I don't think about these foods, right? I don't know. Anyways, before we get started, if you enjoyed my content, I would greatly appreciate if you would give me a big thumbs up. That is supposed to get YouTube to, you know, the algorithm to say, hey, maybe people want to watch this chick and, you know, help promote out my channel. I don't know how true that is, but I'd appreciate it if you did. Don't forget to check my daughter Haley's channel out. That's linked down below, as well as I do have a vlog channel, so in the description box you will see that as well. So the palette I'm going to be using today is one of my favorites by CColor Cosmetics called Around the World palette. It looks like this, and yes, my friends, it is a dupe for the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. However, this one retails for $14.99 versus the, I think, $49 that the Urban Decay one is. Also, there is a 10% off coupon code. Hotmess10 saves you 10% at checkout. Free shipping on everything over $9.99 with them. So, anyways, if you are interested to see what look I create today, you guys, I haven't even had the coffee. I'm thinking about going and making a pot. I've just been drinking water, and I had a bang early this morning. Hi, welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where I ramble for days and probably will repeat to you guys. Okay, so anyways, if you want to see what kind of look I create, then let's go ahead and get started. We are going to chat while I put this on, so if you're not down for a chat, this is going to be the video for you. Sorry guys, I don't know what my camera's doing with its life, but you're going to see my mirror up here. So there's that. By the way, CColor Cosmetics is cruelty-free, so I have a question. If anybody else goes through this like I do, all weekend long, I was getting up without an alarm at like 6 o'clock, 6:55, 6:30, whatever time it was. There was only a 2-day weekend around to chill out. Anyways, with that being said, my normal day to get up is about 6, sometimes a little beforehand, whatever. But my alarm, at the very least, Monday through Friday, is always going off at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, for whatever reason, it's Monday anyways today, guys, and I'm getting ready for work. But for whatever flippin' reason, it was so hard to get up today. And I went to bed earlier than I had gone to bed earlier Friday and Saturday. So I'm like, why are you struggling so bad? I don't know. It's really annoying. Okay, I don't even know what I'm creating. Let's go with this. We're going to go with that one. Sorry. Okay, disclaimer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist. So this is a judgment-free zone where we don't judge. We just come here to the corner of the YouTube to have fun, relax, chit-chat, play in makeup, talk about makeup, and any other positive thing that we can think about, okay? Yeah, so, oh, and by the way, my camera has a mind of its own and only focuses when it feels like it. So if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm trying to figure out whether or not I'm in focus or not. There's a pretty good chance I'm probably not, so it's going to drive you guys crazy. I'm sorry. So going in with that color and just applying it through here. I'm trying to think. I need to go back through and see if I did this beautiful teal look. I'm thinking I did. So I'm not going to redo that one. But the teal colors, well, actually it was like these three colors. No, I think it was these two colors I used. I came up with a really pretty look, and it looked very similar to some of the shades from the Natasha Denona Gold. But like I said, I didn't think to go through my videos until I turned the camera on and started doing this. Go girl, go. So as you're going to see, the formula blends and builds up beautifully. You're not going to notice much of any type of fallout at all. And just to let you guys know, I am very much a heavy-handed type of person. Try not to be, but that's what I do. So they're minute, a little bit of kick up. That's what I'm trying to say. Like very, very little. I feel like that's just like kind of the standard colors that I use. I really can't remember what I've used out of this palette on camera for y'all. I think what I'm going to do is just use these 3 colors right through here. I may go with this. Oh, I think I've already created this. It's just calling to me, guys. I'm going to just go with this. Okay, no, I'm doing this. Look at me. So I'm going in with that color. And if I've created this look, I apologize. But I really, really like it. Now, some people will cut their crease for this. I'm not. I don't know. I don't really have a reason why. It's just not my thing. So I'm just going to pack it right on the outer part of the eye like so. The brush is just, I think, a free brush that I got in a Boxycharm. And it's just called Step 1 for the Money Vintage Cosmetic Company. So yeah, this was one that I received in a Boxycharm. Okay, so I'm just going to pack it on like so. As per usual, I am going to have one side higher than the other because symmetrical, what's that? From there, I am going to go to this shade and pack it in this space over here. The formula is so pretty and creamy. It doesn't accentuate your texture. I'm very, very happy with CColor Cosmetics formula. I am not wetting my brush. That's another thing that, I mean, I know that there's benefits to doing it, but you guys, I don't even use a primer. I'm just using my concealer on my lids. Okay, so instead of just leaving it like that and being done, I am going to jump into this color right here down in the corner, and I'm going to apply that just strictly in the middle. Like so, to kind of merge those colors together, I guess is the word. I don't know. Just like so. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush and just put just a little bit of this shade back on there. Probably too big of a brush. Oh well. Living on the edge today, girl. Just kind of right through here. Just to soften up that darker shade. And then underneath the eye, I am going to go in with that exact same warm shade that you guys just saw right here with a little pencil brush or whatever this is. It's a crown brush C513. I'm really sorry, guys. I just realized that I did this entire look without zooming you guys in more. So really sorry. Okay, so as for the corners of my eyes, I'm going to mix this one and just kind of dab it right here. Not too wild and crazy, but just enough to give it just a smidgen of a pop. And then whatever's left, I'm going to just kind of brush it up in my eyebrow. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to hop off and I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara and my liner, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my mascara. Unfortunately, I have not been able to find for y'all and be able to link the liner, which is the Urban Decay Underground liner. And I'm getting sad because I have not found a dupe for it as far as the color goes or anything, so that has me freaking out. On the top, like waterline, and then I kind of smudged it close to my lashes. It's just the Maybelline gel pencil in black. And then, of course, you know, I go through a slew of mascaras, which I will have linked down below for you guys. So as far as this palette goes by CColor Cosmetics, you guys know I love it, and it is one that I definitely recommend for you guys. And I will have the link as well as the coupon code Hotmess10 down below for you guys if you guys are interested in this. Like I said, this is something that I want to start doing more of, like a whole series of going back through my stash. And so the next video I'm going to do, guys, is on the CColor Friendcation palette. So and I may get a little crazy and use some of these bold colors. I don't know. But like I said, I want to start putting up more of these videos that is forcing me to go through my eyeshadow palette collection and, you know, create other looks for you guys, as well as I feel like maybe you guys would like that as well, to get ideas on, you know, different variations that you could do with your eyeshadow palettes. So anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. As always, of course, you guys know I'm going to give a Notification Squad shout out. If you want to be a part of the Notification Squad, y'all, it's really easy. Just make sure you're subscribed, click that notification bell, I believe it's 2 times, and then leave me a comment down below, hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Team Hotmess. Today I'm actually going to be pulling from my community post, so you won't know or you won't get a shout out unless you are definitely subscribed, because I try and post almost every single day on my community tab area, whatever it's called, and that's where I'm going to be pulling from today. So today's Notification Squad shout outs go to Starla Hamilton, Alina McMeans, I believe is how you say it, Nancy McManny, and Laura Woody, and of course Manic Makeup Mama, which I know, I remember your name. I've shouted you out before. So anyways, like I said, make sure you're subscribed, because you never know what video I'm going to be pulling shout outs from. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Of course, check out my second vlog channel. It's all about lifestyle, keto, family. It's kind of just a mix of everything minus beauty and makeup related things. That's what this channel is all about. And of course, don't forget to follow my daughter, Love Haley, over on her channel of the YouTube world, and I'll leave her link down below for you guys. I think that's it. Every so often I do what's called goodie bag giveaways. You're not going to know, again, unless you're subscribed, my friends. Anyways, don't forget, there is going to be another video coming on this. I did a full review video on it. Now we're just going to play around, and let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. Okay guys, I gotta go change out of my PJs, get my work clothes on, and all of that good stuff. So everything on my face will be listed and linked down below for you guys. And until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.